Happy birthday, dear Githaiga. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Githaiga. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, dear Githaiga. Happy birthday, dear Githaiga. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, dear. Happy.
Thank you.
Ganeta tahiti.
Thank you tukakena muno na tugukuigua gatha ici tuigua karwimbo na gesawa.
Gesawa.
Gesa tanye.
Leo lazima tukusurprise. Mothe no nginya turathi kou.
No nginya tururie. Thank you so much Teresa. Thank you AC.
Karibu sana Githaiga, tunakupenda. Happy birthday. Wacha nishuke celebrate birthday yako, tukugift, tukuletee pesa. Na we love you so much na we salute you.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Sawa, tunakuja.
Ladies and gentlemen, Oshene Teresa. Ni nini hii mnatumiwa kama nini na mnaacha kufikiria? Mnatumika fairly easily na mnaacha kufikiria, mnakuja hapa kutuambia maneno. What are these mnatuambia? It's about to go down. Munajua nikiamka mapema kuaddress kama sijaoga masho kuna maneno. Leo nimekuja, leo niko sober. Leo si kama jana mlikuwa mana confuse mimi. Na mimi nataka maneno ambayo nasema hamatafurahisha watu wengi.
Tagazo.
Jana usiku kama mumerara. Mapasta walianikana. Jana ilikuwa kesi. Mushike. Na unamwambia mimi hapana kuwa na kasi ukamwira ndari mu maradi koragwo wira ndina mukingo ukanjariria wega torariria muheshimiwa na tondu mugwi ucokagirio haria waikirio ni ngwenda gucokeria nye igiri cia thuri ikoretwo ikingweta guku ta cia ndacirie.
There is this one guy called Githaiga. Sijui kama mwaisikia argument ya Githaiga. This guy is smart, elegant, effective, respectful, guru, mastermind. Yani Githaiga is one guy that you would wish to listen all the time because he chooses his words. Whatever he say, he knows where to start and where to end it. Just listen to Githaiga. Ata live yake tu umsikize tu akiongea. Especially where there is an argument. You will never win Githaiga. Not because that he's bold enough to come out and say, no, you did this, you did that. Githaiga follow the instruction between the two parties. He will listen to you, and if you are there to answer, he will not answer your question. He will let someone who is being accused answer the question, and he will guide it the way it is supposed to be. Githaiga, bro, I like your live. I like it when you are talking, and I like when you are making decisions because your decisions are so nice.
Githaiga wa chai. Githaiga of chai, bro. Kuja nikwambie kitu. Ucio mwana gwetwo Githaiga ri. Ungithikiriria uria articulateaga issues ciake, no uria handuraga maundu is very in line no uria ritwa riake riugite. Ritwa ria Githaiga rikoria riumete kiugo ugo. Ni ugo wa Mithaiga. Githaiga ni ndagitari wa mbere aria mathiaga kuingira kiria no taritwa ta waithaka kuingira ithaka-ini guthie gwetha ndawa uguo ni aria mathia akarora muti ugu akamenya uyu ingĩwĩka ũũ no mahuti ma muti ũyũ ni urehaga ndawa fulani kana maundu ma kaundu fulani oko ni muri wa muti ũyũ ni ndawa ya handu fulani kana Githaiga kumana na Mithaiga ni ndawa tobe tunyitane uguo ni kuga atia Githaiga ni mundu mugo na mundu mugo no ni mundu muge mundu wina uge wa Ngai uge aikurukeirio ni Ngai God's given wisdom.
Happy birthday. Na yo keki ikorwo igikinya. Tumiugereria no ndo wa Githaiga witũ wa cai. Utuhea anejora na rucio no wanyanike. No nie ndingĩmaka. Aika nie ndingĩmaka. Niĩ no ngĩnuma tũkũruma na rũcinĩ. Mimi ni mtoto wa Kiambu lakini napenda Githaiga sana. He is my friend so much. No ndimwendete mũno, nakupenda sana Githaiga. Gaya kwa ndani ngoro yaku, napenda vile unaletanga chai. So tunaenda tugoinere happy birthday alenie. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday dear Githaiga. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday dear Githaiga. Happy birthday. Happy birthday dear Githaiga. Happy birthday dear Githaiga. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday dear. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday dear Githaiga. Happy birthday.